Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter from your English literature book. See the lesson number 10, The Wonders of the Sky. So as I am reading, you follow me. Okay, and if you have problem, you can ask me on your WhatsApp or my WhatsApp number. So let's begin. The Wonders of the Sky. There are few words in the beginning of the lesson. Seem, move, million, much, shape, winter, as well as daytime, lit up, during. You look at the sky every day. You little know that the things which you see there are not what they seem. On a clear day, the sky seems blue. But if you go up very high in the air, about you will not be blue. That is, when you go high up in the air, the sky doesn't seem blue. Actually, there is nothing like sky. But it seems that a sky is all over us. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west every day. It seems to move across the sky. But the sun does not move round the earth. The earth goes round the sun. You know that the sun doesn't, the earth is going round the sun. The sun is in its own place. It is the earth that is going round and round the sun. It takes a year to go right round the sun. At the same time, it is turning round on itself. It spins round like a top. It is this spinning of earth that makes day and night. When our part of the earth is turned towards the sun, it is day. When it is turned away from the sun, it is night. The moon is a round ball like the earth on which we live. Only much smaller. The moon goes round the earth. The moon has no light of its own. It takes its light from the sun. The moon doesn't have a light of its own. It is the reflection of the sun on the moon that the moon seems to shine. During each month, the moon seems to change its shape, but it does not actually change its shape. All the time it is round ball, but we can see only that part of it which is lit up by the sun. That is, when the sun's light falls on the moon, only that part of the moon we are able to see which reflects the light of the sun. Other part is dark, and this part becomes greater or less as the moon changes its place in the sky. And the sun, it is a great ball of fire. It looks so small because it is so far away, millions of kilometers away from the earth. It is a good thing that the sun is so far away, for it is very hot. It is much hotter than the hottest thing we can think of. If it were much nearer, we should all be burnt, and therefore no life on earth. That is, if the sun would have been nearer to the earth as it is, there everything would have burnt and there would have been no life on earth. It is good that it is far away. Our sun is not the only sun in the sky. All the stars you see at night are suns also. Some of them are even bigger than our sun. but they look so small because they are millions and millions of kilometers away from the earth. There are, see, the stars that we see in the sky are all suns. They are actually balls of fire, just as our sun is a ball of fire. Since the sun is nearer to us than the other stars, we can feel the heat. But the stars which are millions and millions of kilometers away from the earth, we can only see the light of those stars, not feel the heat. The stars in the daytime are as well as night. The stars in the daytime as well, the stars shine in the daytime as well as at night. We cannot see them in the bright light of the sun, though they are in the sky. We can see them only at night when the sun is not shining. So we have read the lesson. All about it I have explained you. You must read the lesson once or twice, as many times you wish to. So, and also learn the spellings given in the top of the lesson. So that's all today. Tomorrow we will work out the question and answers. Okay. Till then, take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay. Bye bye.